na I'm talking to a single person and would be inviting another one to join her in the fight against drug. There is the drug enforcement law of the police. That's the unit that is properly empowered to sila yung pumupunta sa akin offering information.
So hindi po ninyo napag-usapan itong sinasabi niya na nagpapahanap po kayo ng isang tao na operatiba coming from the PNP na magpasimuno nitong ikangang Davao model po.
Yung INC, sir, ang isa kasing affidavit.
I will go into that, Mr. President.
Yeah.
Anyway, nung Mr. President, sinabi po niya na